Hi everyone. Today we are going to look at how to create a text media inside WaioChat and use it in your conversations. This is helpful because it lets you save messages once and reuse them anytime, which saves a lot of time. We are going to do this in just 5 simple steps. The first step is accessing the text media creator. To access the text media creator, head over to the Conversas icon in the far left sidebar. Go ahead and click it to open the menu. This opens the Quick Actions panel where you'll find shortcuts for creating new items. Hovering over the Create button shows you it's the place to find shortcuts for new items and scripts. Just below, you'll notice the username option as well. This one sets your local attendant signature, which appears before any sent messages. Scroll down through the Quick Send media list to see all the media types you can pre-save. For this tutorial, select the text option under the content section to start building a text template. We've now opened the text media creator. Let's move on to creating the first text media by filling in the title and message content. The WaioChat text creation panel will pop open. Hover over the info icon next to content to see what this section is all about. As the tooltip explains, this is where you'll handle the internal title, message, and preview, all in one flow. Hover over the info icon next to title to understand its purpose. The tooltip clarifies that the title is the internal name you'll use to locate this text later in your listings and scripts. Go ahead and click into the title field and type in a clear descriptive name for your message. If you hover over its info icon, you'll see this is the main text that gets sent out, and any line breaks you add will be preserved. Type your message content here, just like you'd write it to a customer. A keyboard shortcuts pop-up may appear. Just hit OK to dismiss it. Heads up, typing a / triggers the shortcuts pop-up again, so close it by clicking OK. Remove the slash and replace it with a period to finish your sentence properly. Scroll down the panel to see the rest of the options. Hovering over the preview info icon shows that this gives you a quick visual reference of your message before saving. Continue scrolling down to the Mention Everyone section. The tooltip here explains you'd enable this when sending to a group and needing to tag all participants. Toggle the mention. Everyone switch on for this example. Scroll past the Mention On section until you reach Add to Folder, which helps you keep your saved text organized. Open the Select Folder drop-down to take a quick look, then click Away since we'll skip this for now. Scroll all the way down and hit the Save Text button to lock in your new message. You'll be taken back to the Quick Actions panel, where scrolling down reveals your newly saved message ready to use. The first text media is now created and saved. Next, let's duplicate and edit this media to quickly create new versions without starting from scratch. Instead of building each new message from scratch, you can reuse what you've already created. Hover over the first message card to see your options. Look for the duplicate icon on the card. The tooltip confirms this will duplicate the item so you can reuse it without touching the original. Go ahead and click the duplicate icon and you'll see a new entry pop up called First Message, Copy. You'll notice there are duplicate icons on every item, so this trick works for any saved message. To customize your new copy, click the pencil edit icon on the First Message, Copy item. In the Edit panel, update the title field to something more meaningful for this version. Then tweak the message content to reflect what this new version should say. Scroll down through the Edit panel to review the rest of the settings. Once everything looks right, hit the Save Changes button to lock it in. You'll be taken back to the Quick Actions list. Scroll down to find your newly saved second message. Let's create one more version. Hover over the duplicate icon on the second message card. Click it to spin up a second message, copy. Open up the edit panel by clicking the pencil icon next to the new copy. Rename the title so this version stands out from the others. Update the message content with the new wording you'd like to use for this template. Scroll down to access the additional options. Toggle off the Mention Everyone option since you don't want this message tagging the whole group. Finish up by hitting Save Changes. Our new version of the text media is saved and ready to use. Next, let's send the saved media directly in a chat. With your text media saved, open up any chat and head over to the Quick Actions panel where all your saved templates are ready to use. To fire off a message instantly, just hit the send button next to your third message template. And just like that, the message lands directly in the chat window. You'll even get an automated reply coming through, keeping the conversation flowing. If you ever need to tweak a template before sending, click the edit icon next to your first message. This opens up the edit panel where you can make any changes you need. Since we don't need to edit anything right now, hit the back arrow to close the panel. Back in the Quick Actions list, find the first message template again. Go ahead and click its send button to push it out. The message instantly appears in the chat, no typing required. Another automated reply rolls in, showing how quickly you can keep conversations moving. Take a moment to scroll through the Quick Send Media list to see all the templates you have at your fingertips. The message has been sent successfully in the chat. Now, let's navigate to the Management section to organize and review all your saved media in one place. To explore more options, head over to the Manage tab. The Manage panel will open up, giving you access to additional tools like Mass Send. A handy tooltip pops up letting you know you can open this menu section for further actions. And that wraps up the trip through the Management section. You can now move around WaioChat with ease and build your own text media from scratch. Have fun playing with it.